where we have frost advisories between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the morning. Freeze warnings for Carver counties up in the Poconos. So again, tender vegetation in these areas could get a little bit of a hit here early on our Tuesday morning. But it is a chilly night no matter where you are. If you have a frost advisory or not. 41 Wilmington, 40 in Trenton, 38 in Melville, 42 in Dover. In the city itself, right around 43 degrees, and a few degrees warmer than that right along the immediate